Hello friends, welcome back, and finally the new tool Testing Daily is live now. First of all, what is Testing Daily? Testing Daily is the tester's home page where you will get all the testing related news, blogs, update, and all the feed related to testing without any single effort putting it from your end. You just have to install it, that's all. You don't need to use it. So you see that today we have lots of you must have seen in many browsers that when you open new tab you get the different kinds of news feed. So like for an example, here if you see on this is as so we have opened google.com, okay, and as soon as we open new tab it used to have this kind of feed which might not be very relevant to us. What if I say that if as a tester I want to see every time the feed what is new happening on testing? So that's where introducing here this testing daily, where you will get all the latest feed related to testing only, and you can keep yourself updated and will try to keep yourself updated with all these latest testing trends. What you have to do to get start with this, just open here on go to SelectorsHub website. You will get the testing daily link here, download link. Click on this, it will open the testing daily page. So here you can read basic information. Nothing much is there. It is very simple tool. You can install it on whichever Chromium browser you want. So let's say I'm giving an example on Chrome. So here you have to click on add to Chrome, and then it will open this pop-up, add extension, and it might open one more pop-up where it will ask you to keep it or change your feed. So just click on keep it. Now here you can click on this, and here you see that all the testing related information is coming in home page itself. So whenever going forward you will open new tab, after installing there is nothing, it is not required to restart the browser or anything. You just start opening the new tab and you will get the feed like this. So you can see that here this is the weekly news, then other feed like from Medium, from Reddit, YouTube, all the information is coming here. So this is going to be very helpful, and we are going to optimize it a lot, like what is coming, that there is some event is coming, what's going on around testing. So all those feeds you will keep getting here. You can check out like which is the most popular feed right now, what is the most popular thing people are discussing around in testing. So you can see that Selenium Manager 4.6.0 is released, so that kind of feed you will get it here. Which one is the most upvoted feed, there are like tutorials, blogs from Medium, Reddit, etc. So you will get it here that okay, these are the blogs and tutorial which are live here, I mean which are most upvoted here, because you can add the upvotes, and you can add some comments as well. Like if you want to, you feel that okay, this Medium blog is very helpful, you want to help others in the community, you can upvote here. And yes, of course, like to upvote or add any comment here, like let's say you want to add some comment or you want to upvote, you will have to log in and create the account here. So either you if you don't have, you can just sign up, or you can log in if you have an account in Testing Daily, so you can create that account. And likewise you can search as well. Let's say you want to search for something, like here some blogs that what is the latest testing news related to Selenium, you can search it here. If you, and then you can of course like read the blogs or whatever you want, like you just click here, it will open like this, or you can just hover on this, and if you directly want to open that link, Medium directly want to go to that blog, you can just click on that and it will take you to that page. Like here you can watch on directly on YouTube, so just click on that watch on YouTube, so here you would be able to watch it. Then let me just, like let's say we are searching for GitHub Actions, are there any blog or something from someone? So you can see that yes, there are some of the blogs on this. You can just click on here, read article on Medium, or you just come back and then there you can open directly here itself. So all those things you can do it here. So when you will be there are like few more features, like you can here you see that this is in grid view. Like suppose if you wanted to see this in sorry, this is listing view and you want to see in grid view, then you can click here. So here you will see that grid view. You just keep scrolling, you will get a lot of feed, like the feed will keep loading, so you can keep updated yourself and you will enjoy reading it, like if you are in testing and you love testing. You open next time new tab, it will open the new feed every time. If you want to pause, like let's say every time when you are opening it and you doesn't want to see this, you can pause it. Of course you can set it like whatever time you want to do that you can set. Then if you have any feedback, any comment, any suggestion which you want for us to take care, and which you want to feel that these features should be there, this improvement is required, feed should be more optimized, so yes, you can raise a ticket here in the feedback here. So you can raise a ticket here. You can see that already people are like community is adding the feedback here, adding the ticket, so you can add the ticket. We'll request all of you that this is the very first build, and yesterday only we have released it. So request you all that please share with other people and let the community know, because this is a kind of like must have tool for every tester, so that like they keep getting updated themselves. So please click on this and it will just like you can share it on this direct download link of testing daily with everyone. And here you can watch the tutorial if you ever feel that okay, what all new features came. And the roadmap is huge. This is just the like very first release. A huge roadmap is there, like lots of feature are going to add, like let's say very soon you will get the customization option, like let's say you doesn't want the medium feed, you doesn't want the YouTube feed, or a lot more customization options are going to come, lot more improvement we are going to add every day. We are trying to filter out the data as much as possible, so you get the filtered information, you don't get any kind of feed which is not relevant to your test, which is not relevant to testing or something like that. And we are testing the feature of customization, where you will be able to add and customize your own feed as per your requirement. So very soon, like in next few days, you will get those features as well. And as always, we will keep trying to improve it with your feedback, and request you all that please share it, do let us know. And also request you that please if you like this tool, please add a review here. Whatever your thoughts are here, you can write it here. Please give a 5-star rating, so that it reach to maximum people and people can get a help of it and enjoy using this amazing innovation. And if you have any feedback anytime, feel free to write back to us. You can always chat with us here if you face any challenges while using it. And there are like a lot of another innovation, more innovations has been added under SelectorsHub umbrella, so you can anytime read it out here and check out. Yeah, so that's pretty much from testing daily, and this is, you guys will love it. And here, yeah, one more thing I will just quickly tell you. This is the first row is the like promoted one, like any company, because this is absolutely free, so definitely we need support from the community, from the companies. So this will be the promoted feed, the first one on the top, very small row. So if any one of you want to support, or if you know any company which can support us, so that they can put it their ad here, and that will again will be relevant to testing only. So yeah, so this is how we are going to support our community, and this tool is going to help you guys a lot. Thank you so much.